It's the last thing you see before you sleep, and the first thing you see when you wake up. We built a digital world to connect us, but somehow we've never felt more alone. You promise yourself just 5 minutes. 2 hours later, you're still scrolling. Why? Because it's not an accident, it's design. Your phone is a slot machine, and every notification is a potential jackpot of dopamine. So, is social media ruining your mental health? If you feel anxious, inadequate, or lonely after using it, you must need to regain control. In this videos, I will show 2 main steps to reduce the impact of social media on your mental health. Step 1. The morning mute. No screens for the first 30 minutes of your day. Let your own thoughts be the first thing you hear, not the internet's. Step 2. Curate your feed. Unfollow accounts that make you feel bad about yourself, that constantly trigger comparison or anger. Actively seek out creators who inspire, educate, or uplift you. Finally, practice mindful engagement. Before you open an app, ask yourself, why am I picking this up? What value am I hoping to gain?